Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Kenya trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop my new videos, you are going to be immediately get notified. When launch your FS video, put your cursor like this. Right click on your mouse, then click open. But for me, I've already launched my FS Studio, so I'm just going to click on my FS Studio app like this. Click on my channel rack. This is my channel rack here. I'm going to click on add here. Click on my FL keys. I will start to make my Kenya trap beat. I'll put my cursor like this. Left click, I'll turn my mouse wheels to channel 6. Put my cursor on channel 6. Right click, then click piano roll. I'll start to program my Kenya trap beat now. This is my Kenya trap beat. I'm going to click on select. Highlight to your left. Press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's okay. That's okay. I'm going to click on view channel rack. I'll click on add here. Click on my bull bars. After that, I'll put my cursor on this empty space. Left click and hold my left click button on the mouse. Then turn the mouse wheels. Screw the mouse wheels to channel 7. Then put my cursor here. Right click on my mouse. Then click on my piano roll. I'll start to program my bull bars now, which is my second melody. I'm programming my bull bars now. That's it. That's good. After that, I'm programming my hi-hats now. This is my Kenya trap beat. On channel 3, I will right click, then click piano roll. Now I'm putting my hi-hat. This is it. I'm on bar 2. This is it. Bar 3. My bar 3. Bar 4. Good. After that, I'm going to press Ctrl and A on my keyboard, then press Ctrl, then B on my keyboard to extend it to bars number 8. The next step, let's go to our snare. On channel 4, I will right click, then click piano roll. At 4, I'm putting my snare. At 5, at 6, at 7, at 8, another bounce. Watch out for the bounce. Another bounce like this. Another bounce. Good. Then I'm going to program my kick now. This is my kick. I will left click and hold my left click button on my mouse. Just drag my mouse, then just leave it to channel 1 on my channel rack. Then right click on my mouse, then click piano roll to open my piano roll like this. On 1, I'm going to put my kick here. 2 kick, 1 kick, 3 kick, 3 kick here, 1 kick here, 2 kick, then 3 kick like this. Very simple. Follow my YouTube channel, subscribe. Very simple. That's okay. I'm going to click on my kick, click on this effect target like this, then just turn the boost knob right up to 41%. That's okay. Then 6 and 7. 6 and 7. I'm going to turn down to 6, turn down the 7 a little bit. That's okay. Then let's start mixing our Kenyatta beat now. Let's start mixing our Kenyatta beat. Slot 1, I'm going to add our Fruity Soft Clipper. Slot 2, I'm going to click here, add a Fruity Multiband Compressor. Slot 3, I'm going to add a Fruity Limiter. Slot 4, I'll click here and add a Fruity Parametric EQ2. That's okay. The next step, on 7, slot 1, I'm going to add a Fruity Multiband Compressor. Slot 3, I'll click here and add a Fruity Limiter. On slot 3, I'll click here and add a Fruity Soft Clipper. Make sure you take note of this plugin, how to mix your beats. That's okay. The next step, let's go to our hi-hat 3. I'll click here on slot 1, add a Fruity Soft Clipper. On slot 4, I'll click here, add a Fruity Parametric EQ2. That's okay. Now watch up here where my cursor is on the screen. They say view playlist. Click on view playlist and open your playlist. Where you are written part 1, put your cursor on top of this part 1, right click on your mouse, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed on our channel rack has appeared on the top left corner of our FS Duo. It's time to click and drop. First of all, click on draw here, then click on your kick, click back. Whenever you click on your hi-hat, just click back to your playlist. First of all, click here, click on your snare, then click back. Click on your FL keys, just click back into your playlist. Click on your last melody, booba, then click back. Then it's time to extend your melody. I'll first of all click on select here, then come here and put my cursor left, click and hold it, then drag my mouse to the left, then press. But another way to highlight it like this, before press Ctrl and B, you can say press Ctrl and E, then press Ctrl and B to copy it. Ctrl and E is to highlight it like this, and then press Ctrl and B to extend it, to make it longer. I'm extending my beat now, so that I'm going to put a space on intro and outro. After that, I'll click on my draw, I'll remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. I'll click on my select, then highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend it. But first of all, take note up here. First of all, drag this one, just put your cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it behind, and then put your cursor like this way. When the arrow is pointing both left and right, left click and hold it, drag it in front to make sure to see everything you are doing. After that, I'll click on my draw again, then click on my FL keys, extend it,